The system boots up, checking each of the pressure regulators. Here it's taking a minute for the main plant pressure transducer to energize. It always boots up with the chain off. The main plant pressure is set as a failure point of 100 psi, so once it gets over that, it goes to the green. The feed chain can now be started as long as all the pressures are in the green. Currently, it is set to output 5 volts to the VFD. I will now turn down the main pressure, plant pressure, showing a lack of pressure coming into the system and showing that the chain will shut off as soon as it gets below the programmed failure point. The start chain button can be pushed, but it will not start the chain as long as there is a failure in the pressure system. This is the main user interface showing each of the 4 regulators. It shows the set point for each and the actual pressure for each in both a numeric and a simulated pressure regulator graphic. It also shows the tolerance plus or minus number that it needs to stay within, otherwise it would fail and shut the chain down. Each of the parameters are set going into a supervisor screen. This is a screen that I will set up to create a password login for the supervisor screen. Each regulator set point is changed with the jog buttons. As you can see, to the pressure to the left on the crack gauge, they change from the jog buttons. The pressure fault tolerance can be changed here as well. And as you move back to the user interface screen, you'll notice that the green's tolerance segment changes with it, and if it gets out of the plus or minus 10 at that point, it would cause a failure this can be programmed. The change speed can also be changed in the supervisor screen. This can be set up to reflect nuts per minute instead of voltage level. I am currently working on the ability to send a message to an email or a cell phone anytime there is a failure in any of the pressures or the system. The signal can also be sent to a Christmas tree set up on each of the crackers in the plant to show any failures, or green for all running well. This PLC interface can also be designed to run multiple crackers on a network with one common user interface. At the end of the day, you merely switch off the power to the system.